Are you addicted to Disney? Yes. I know there's a car park behind me because behind me there is a Premier Inn. We're at the Premier Inn Bath Road, as this is the start of our Walt Disney World Disney Cruise adventure. Now we fly out tomorrow on Virgin Atlantic, and then we've got 3 days in our home Riviera Resort before we board the beautiful Disney Wish to go to the Bahamas, which I'm really excited about. And then we're going to finish off with another few days in the DVC. So let's go and have some fun in Disney.
And this is Caz with her soft and fluffy.
It's soft and fluffy.
What's soft and fluffy?
My purchase. My soft and fluffy thing.
So where are we?
We're in the #1 lounge. We've been chilling out, having some num-nums, waiting for our gate to be opened. We're all checked in and we're ready to go. Oh, and apparently we're flying on Beauty Queen again because Stitch, who's not with us, has been looking up the flight, and it'd be funny if we are, because that's what we flew on last year.
All aboard!
Woohoo! And we're on board. Mr Disney's happy because he's got not one, but 2 windows.
Big problem though, they wouldn't let me sit in the front and fly the plane. Really disappointed. I mean, okay, I've just got a PPL license, but they could have let me practice. I can land.
Luckily, he's just sitting there keeping me company. Wiggles is happy. We have in-flight entertainment ready to go. So, time to sit back, relax, and fly out to Walt Disney World. Mickey, we're coming. Quite nice actually, although somebody who's ignoring me now pinched my cheese. The food was nice. Now sit back, relax, chill, watch some movies. Out from Orlando, and I believe they're coming round with afternoon tea.
I wonder if there'll be pudding.
You want pudding?
At least tea. Although I don't really drink tea.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
That old Mr Disney's back again who drinks tea. Hello. Mr Disney. Mr Disney doesn't drink tea. It's been quite a smooth flight. Some fun in-flight entertainment. I'm just relaxing really and chilling. Just looking forward to getting there now. And then when we get there, fun and security, our transfers, and then we go to our DVC home resort, which we're really both looking forward to seeing. Hello from...
If you're a resident, welcome home. You're one of our nearly 70 million visitors. Welcome to the City Theater. Here, imagination becomes reality in our theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found in our art scenes, sporting events, and small business districts. In Orlando, there's something for everyone. We hope you enjoy your visit and everything that makes Orlando unbelievably fun.
So that's it, we're on Orlando from the monorail, and we're going to go and pick up our transfer to the Riviera. Hi everybody, we've arrived at Riviera and this is our room. We're in 8585, which is a preferred view. Use my magic band. Open the door. You come in. Nice little entrance area. Hooks to hook your bags. Map showing where we are. Come through. We have closet to hang your clothes up. Laundry basket, safe, ironing board. That must be an interconnecting door. Like the cruise ships, you have split bathrooms. So you have bathroom number 1. And we have a shower. Very nice walking. Oh, trip. And we still got it. Page 2 over this little shelf. Slidey door. In case you want to shut off. A very tired looking stuns me in the mirror. Tabs. Yoink, that's coming home. Soap, tissues. Shower. Another shower and a bath. One HO, towels. Towels that just says, strong full. Full length mirror. Little kitchenette area, so we've got a sink. Coffee machine, microwave. Cupboards with all your bits and pieces and gadgets and gizmos.
I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
Toaster. A fridge. And then you come into the main room. So this is the main room. So you have the nice bed. We have Hey Disney. Hello friend. So we have one bed. We have a telly. Pull down bed. Because this actually sleeps 5 people. We have a tired but happy Mr. Disney. Is Mr. Disney happy with the room? Another pull down bed. Looks like we've got Encanto, right? Mirror. More sockets. Table. But this is what we like. We have a balcony. Now this is the nighttime view. Now we can't see Epcot, but we can see across the Caribbean Beach Resort. Oh yeah. So, Mr. DVC, our first DVC resort room. What do you think of it?
Praise be the God.
Oh dear, he has the good book. I think he likes it. Anyway, we're now absolutely shattered, so we're just waiting for bell services to bring our cases up. We're going to go and grab a drink and then we'll go to bed. So this is day 1 travel day. 2 rather happy, rather tired people. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe down there and we'll see you in the morning. Night night everybody.